and we are back with another banger. Okay, so today, don't mind the darkness, there shall be lights when we get to where we are going. And so today, just a normal thing, nothing serious, just going to eat, going to KFC to have some fun, to eat some chicken and chips. So this is Kels.
You can't see me because I'm totally dark. I'm all in black.
So dark plus dark is equal to darkness. And so let's get there, okay? Because here you can't see me. You can't see me. So see you when we get there. Bye. Okay guys, so this is what Kels doesn't know. I'll be pranking him, like, I'll be eating loud, very very loud, to see Kels' reaction. Like, sometimes when you eat loud in public, or not even in public, when you eat loud, it's really really annoying. But then I'll be trying that on Kels to see his reaction. Everybody's looking at me. Kels is making an order now, so I just want to say that behind me. So your girl will be eating loud to see his reaction. Boom! He's coming. Pacha yen vika mame.
Okay.
And the camera not you. I know camera. Food tastes nice. I really like how the way it hot. I like the way it hot.
What is that?
The food tastes nice, but I'm not the one. Maybe I'm not the one doing it.
You're not the one doing it.
Maybe the one.
You must have talked about that. How you doing, Mary? Is that you're a lady? Eat well. Yo.
Because the food is very nice.
True.
Okay. stop. Are you sure I'm the one?
No, it's your host. Yeah, I'm dodging.
The thing is too
So you dodge, what's that? Stop that. Ah. Fried with chicken.
Am I the one?
You can't hear my talking. You today, relax.
I'm not the one.
Relax. Relax. You can't just about to.
Am I still doing this? It's not my fault. Then the thing is too nice. Things are really
Are you a kid? We are.
fun.
Are you a kid? I don't get it.
It's not my fault.
What? Whose fault? Haven't you been eating KFC?
But it's like this one is too nice.
Stop food. The food is nice. The food is nice. It's nice. Food is so nice.
Like this.
Okay, for me.
It's a prank. It's a prank, oh, it's a prank. I got him. Guys, I can't talk loud here because there are a lot of people here. Even eating like this, but it's not easy. Oh, like, get your way. Is it your first time eating games? It's not my fault, though. The food is too nice. But babe, it's a prank.